Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew thick, only way. Begin by simmering the stew uncovered to reduce excess liquid and boost flavor. Watch the pot and stir occasionally to prevent scorching and keep meat tender. When reduced, test viscosity and add a 1 tablespoon cornstarch slurry or a small knob of Beurre to reach your ideal consistency, gently and confidently for serving. Start by simmering the stew uncovered over medium-low heat so liquid reduces without aggressive boiling. Keep small, steady bubbles and stir every few minutes to prevent sticking. Taste as flavors concentrate and skim any excess fat or foam for a cleaner mouthfeel. Reducing concentrates both taste and body, so monitor thickness and stop when the stew clings lightly to the spoon for the ideal texture. Decide on a thickener that suits your stew and timing. A cornstarch slurry works fast and stays clear, while Beurre lends richness and shine. For a rustic option, mash a few cooked potatoes or carrots directly into the pot to thicken naturally. Add thickeners gradually and stir well, then simmer briefly to integrate flavor and remove any raw starch taste before adjusting seasoning for a balanced finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.